Hello, I'm Anthony Fletcher, Managing Director of Schweigen Home Appliances, the home of the silent Rangehood company. We're down here this weekend at the Melbourne Home Show with our retailer Camberwell Electrics. Camberwell Electrics are down at the Melbourne Home Show and they're featuring the Schweigen product, and one of the products that we're showing, or a few of the products we're showing, are our ceiling cassettes. If you have a look at this particular product here, this is what we call our Paradigma. You may think it's a lighting system, but in fact it's not only a lighting system, it's a range hood. So you can have it either in 2, 3 or 4, or you can have it in this diamond shape, square, or you can have it lengthwise. However you feel that you want it, we can set it up. Part of what Schweigen does is we're quite innovative in our products, and then we try and make sure that we have things that other companies don't have. Also, if you look at this unit here, our InArt 4, this is also a ceiling cassette. Now the ceiling cassettes take over from your standard island range hoods, which goes over island benches. So then you're able to see and talk with each other in the kitchen, which is the home of your entertainment as it is these days. This particular unit here is 2 meters wide, 1,300 deep, and it's something completely different. So please come down to the Melbourne Home Show with Camberwell Electric Stand and see Schweigen Home Appliances.